Hey guys, a video on the S&P 500. It's weird that like it is open here on TradingView, but on Yahoo we don't have any data. So I'm tripping to understand how this will play out tomorrow. Like the S&P on the 1 hourly, it's oversold, and if this continues to grind a little bit to the downside, it will stay oversold, and that generally gives a bounce. 4 hourly, it's oversold as well. That also generally gives a bounce. So I'm like, if the S&P did this today minus 1%, and tomorrow it is green, will the stocks then open the pre-market based on this data that we have today here, or will it be based on what we get in the night or tomorrow, because the S&P opens always at midnight? It confuses me a little bit. I thought this one would be closed as well today, so if someone knows why or how, it would be nice to understand, so please explain. Regardless of that, we zoomed out and I told you, look, we closed the week red. We failed to close above this line here to make the weekly candle green. So now it looks a little bit bad on the weekly. Bad in the sense that, look, we might be heading into a larger correction, okay? At some point this has to come this year. So it will be either now, or if we push a little bit higher from this area, we will have to correct. One more thing to say, if the S&P corrects, it doesn't mean the whole stock market goes down. Already the past few weeks, the Meta, Nvidia, Oracle have been performing bad, while other sectors and stocks have performed really good. Consumer-based stocks, if you look at Nike, if you look at UPS, if you look at Kava, they have been really strong. Energy sector, like the mineral sector and uranium sector, has been doing really good. Chevron has been really good. So I wouldn't be too afraid. Yeah, of course, there is downside potential on a lot of stocks. For example, Intel, ASML as well. They want to see some price action to the downside, but it's not going to be the end of the world. I don't think like the major economic reset is already going to happen. People talk about this. I also believe it's going to happen at some point, maybe, but I don't think it's time yet. But yeah, depending on how the US and Europe argue the coming days, maybe this will be the indicator, the catalyst of this correction. Maybe not if it recovers, okay? But I'm going off topic now. I'm also a little bit looking here at the Canadian uranium market again. It's looking really strong. This one again, still, it's holding. But okay, yeah, you understand what I'm saying. The 1 hourly is gonna end oversold today, probably. It's gonna just stay here. Then the 4 hourly will maybe go deeper as well and reach below 30 levels as well, which generally gives a bounce. So if this bounces into tomorrow, how will the stock market open? It messes with my brain a little bit. But okay, I already said that, sorry. So if we now try to label this from the all-time high, ABC, I drew this box here for wave C. We reacted initially to the 1-to-1 here. So that's nice to see. It's that I think the box is correct then. Okay, it's not difficult to take it. You just take it from the 2 points that we have indeed, but it's just nice to see always some reaction. So I know, okay, the box is here at the correct place. And then if you want to label this in ABC, in your C wave, you want to see a 5-wave move to the downside or to the upside, in this case downside. And it's really looking super nice actually. You have a 3-wave move here, 3-wave move here is what you want to see. And then a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So if this is not yet your final fifth, we might get another low here into this evening, into the night, into tomorrow, and then this might maybe bottom locally. Okay, of course this can be then part of a larger ABC, which would then possibly be a WXY if you want to do that larger correction. but at least it's gonna, I think, give opportunity for minimally a bounce to the upside, if not a road to a push to new all-time highs. So it's really interesting to me, and let's see what tomorrow is gonna give. We have here the 1.236 at 6,879, 1.382 at 6,862, and then of course the value area high at 6,874. To repeat, it is the value area high of this multi-month range that we had. We broke out here finally and backtested it successfully in January. Now I wanted to see this push. We do not get it. We did not get it. We are falling back. I think that's why it's important. We need to hold this again if we still want to make this larger push before we correct. If we lose this, we will go to the point of control. If we fail there, then it's, yeah, confirmed already that we're gonna go to this box, I think. So first indication is losing this value area high. That's why it's important and why I keep repeating it. We failed to break out here. We failed to break out here. We successfully did it here. We back tested it. Maybe a double back test now, or we're gonna just fall back into it. A lot of repeating again, I'm sorry. But I hope you liked the video. I'll, yeah, update a lot of charts tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.